subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs. Welcome to Mabenza TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, Milford 0. I'm joined by D55. Fresh leadership.
Happy new season, my brother.
Sure.
We've seen Orlando Pirates making miracles.
Yeah, they have.
First things first, my brother. I'd like to congratulate Orlando Pirates for defending the Betway Premiership. I think this season is going to be one of the best seasons that we've ever seen.
No.
But the match for today, I was a little bit disappointed. The boys didn't show up the way I expected them to do.
Yes.
But I understand maybe pre-season, abafana basane-fatiguenyana. Abarestanga or police basithwele baye eMexico badlalela ilizwe basathi bayabuya bahambe baye eSpain ama pre-season yabona. So it's the first game. What I can say ukuthi siwinile, it's a 3-point.
Sure.
I would like to tell them ukuthi we are behind them. I would like to encourage them ukuthi baphula up my socks. And then congratulations to the coach for our new players. I was very impressed with our new signings. I think everything went well for today's game. Pardon?
In a win.
In a win. So I think the boys, they really showed character. They really showed Oguti they are defending champions. What I can tell Kevin Seat coming this Saturday. They say Pirates is just a name. we want to show them if you can talk such about Orlando Pirates, one of the biggest team in southern region. You're going to pay.
Obviously.
So I will tell them Saturday. We are going to show them that Pirates is not just a name. It's one of the best teams in the world. If I may say so, one of the best in South Africa. It's a treble winning champions. So you cannot just say Uguti Pirates is just a name. Unokhuluma nje kuphela te ufuna ukukhuluma ngakhona. It can be. Ngibonge futhi Adidas for ukusikhiphela ijezi elihle prime. Konke la ngihamba khona mfowethu. Bona leli ngilala ngalo, ngivuka ngalo, ngigeza ngalo. Mawungibiza phathi ngihamba ngalo. Emshadweni ngihamba ngalo.
Asuke emzimbeni.
Ngiphila ngilidokile. Right through. Top notch mfowethu. Top notch mfowethu. And laba abakhulumayo bathi umkokoto umkokoto uyawubona umkokoto hayi uyawubona uyajabulisa ngelihlo ubhekile uyabona
uyangithola
quality John
high quality
all over ngibheka uthi
D55 and another way uqokele ngakhona Rotman uyangithola ushaya ngenye designer uyangithola into engatholakala eSpeeds uyabona special order custom
mfowethu
yayitholakala eSportsinde Teki Town awuyithola Teki Town
kesebabo
yazi Teki Town
kesebabo akusikhashakasha uyangithola. So I would like to thank Adidas ukuthi basithathe serious. Uyangithola. They really show ukuthi like they understand the memorandum. Memorandum mophumile and the supporters they respond. Ngibonga naba supporters abazile namuhle esigotini bazosupport team enkulu. Uyangithola. Ngiyezwa abantu bayakhala bathi amathikithi eJuve. Kuyafana bra. If you want to watch one of the best football that is played. 100 rand uyaphathela prime. Usuvukile game.
VAR.
And another thing you must understand. Maybe the strategy behind this thing is to avoid the stampede.
Stadium
stampede. To avoid stampede, you must think out of the box. Ngibonile la khona manje nobhizi interview abakhokhomelo. Insho la abakhokhomelo.
Makhosi.
They are going to play
Kruger.
Ngathi ngo8 manje bayadlala. Masuka lana sambo sebavukela. I just wish ukuthi banga lift up because into engibonile lapha na Rustenburg I was not impressed. So, performance no mara bra what do you expect? It's Scotland. Labantu basinda amakhanda bra babonile. Labantu basinda amakhanda jo.
Bathi bazothatha ileague. Ngibazwisha.
Ah, it can't be my brother.
Ngibazwile baba wami.
No, we are going to bona jo. And then we are going to defend. We are going to defend this. We are going to defend this. This Betway trophy.
Yeah.
We are going to defend it.
Sure.
Bona, whether they like it or not.
Yeah.
Another message in Masinya.
Sure.
I'm a little bit disappointed in Mamelodi Sundowns, Prime. I think they are underestimating the PSL, Prime. They are postponing the game, but it's only never dlala. How is that possible? I don't know. Maybe by us underestimate because of they were playing there at Australia. They win 7-0 izolo. So I don't understand why they postpone the game izolo. Isizini amasoyo yaphambili le sebakhala bathi ama game wabo alandelana abana space mara bakhohle ukuthi ba postpone game. So I think they are underestimating the PSL.
Yeah.
I think that they are underestimating. I don't know ukuthi bayodlala nini, but I think for me it's not fair. It's unprofessional for me for them to do such a thing. League of this magnitude.
No.
Mangivala Prime.
Sure.
I so wish you would dance in.
Yeah.
Bumpiskati. Yeah, the boy is very brilliant. Today he was really cooking.
Yeah.
He was really cooking. First touch, distribution.
Yeah.
He was doing the things.
Yeah.
So my voice, as I was saying, Guti, I was not impressed that much.
Yeah.
Maybe I came expecting too much out of the boys. But ngakabanga ukuthi no mara. Pre-season, first game, fatigue, the environment and everything.
Yeah.
So I would give them this game.
Yeah.
But I would like to see the performance.
They must pull up here.
Yeah, because mistakes were in Zile. I don't know if we were watching the game. Silly mistakes, move. So if we were playing against Sundowns, we were going to be punished. Almost 3 or 4 silly mistakes that we did at the back, passing balls at the back. So I think maybe Kunamanja, they will sit down and fix these things. So I would like to give my man of the match Usiema. Usiema, I think for me. He has proven why he's the defender of the season. Sure. Nalo bakhala about bakhala bathi ama awards ukuthi ayenzana. I think ukuthi abahambe jo omunye nomunye if uhlala eThembisa go to the nearest Thembisa police station, if uhlala eBrooklyn go to the nearest Brooklyn station, if uhlala eSoshanguve go to the nearest Soshanguve station. And then because of we have made history fanele bavume ukuthi we have made history yangithola. So okusalayo Saturday we are going to be escotini ngicela ukuthi ama supporter aze supporter yazi khona manje bangibiza abantu bangibiza future bangibiza future angazi why elebele ukuthi 55 abantu bangibiza future angisho mina ngakutshela ngathi mebraso thatha wonke ama awards so manje ngale video la khona basebenza
future Spapito say solely future T55 solely future
the prophet
future the prophet himself
is the 55 the prophet
no tlamele ke lo batla di clip tse o nthola ntse re ba gopotse